Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Outfit. I'm Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to untethered bypass your iPhone. So let's get started with today's video. If you are interested, please watch this video up to the very end. So you can see I'm having an iPhone which is iOS 14.2. This bypass is going to work on iOS 14.2 as well as on iOS 14.3. So as we always do, I'm going to run checkrun, and this is an activation lock, as you can see. So I'm going to connect first my phone with my PC. As I told you, this is iOS 14.2, and I'm going to run the checkrun, and I'm going to click on start. So let's click on start, and our phone will be in the recovery mode. So now the checkrun will instruct us to put our phone into the DFU mode. So I'll put our phone into the DFU mode. So now it is booting. I hope that you guys have already subscribed my channel and you have clicked on the bell icon to get every new notification on time. You can see it is all done, and I hope that you have already smashed on the thumbs up. So now I'll show you again that it is in the activation lock. Now I'm booting my PC, and we'll go to Windows to run the tool, the bypass tool. The link is in down description box, you can go and check that out. And now first, as we always do, we are going to disable the antivirus. From here, we are going to disable it. Here we go. So now, this is the tool that I'm going to use. I'm going to show you. We are going to extract it. So let's extract it. And here's the password that is asking for. I have given the password in the description box, but I'm writing it here also, so you guys can see it from here too. So let's write it down. This is the password. And click on OK. And now we will open the tool. Here it is. So now let's open this tool to run our bypass and to unlock our phone. Now let's open it from here. Run as administrator, and yes. Here you can see that we are opening it. Now I'm going to connect my iPhone with my PC to run the bypass. Here I have connected it. And now you can see it is showing that SSH has connected. But if it's not written like that, then you have to again run the checkrun. This shows that you have ran the checkrun. Now here, if we click on the second option, our baseband and battery drain will be fixed. And as I said that I hope that you guys have already subscribed my channel. I believe you, and you have already shared it. Thank you for sharing the video so that as you can help as many friends as you can. So now let's wait for a while. And here we go. You can see thumbs up, and our iPhone is completely unlocked. Here I'm going to show you that it is completely unlocked. And now you can use it. I'm going to disconnect my phone. So I have disconnected it, and I'm going to show you that it is completely unlocked and you can enjoy it. Now here I go to settings, and here I'm going to show you that my iOS 14.2. And it can also work on iOS 14.3, as I told you. Now I'm going to power it off to show you that reboot is also working. And it is all fixed. And here you can see the on-off and reboot are also fixed. Now our baseband has been deleted and our battery drain is completely fixed. Now you can go around with your iPhone too. If you have any confusion, ask me down in comment, and you can enjoy your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching the video.